When installing a dashcam on a vehicle, you may need to ensure that the capture angle and the install position meet customers' requirements by watching the live feed of the camera. And the live feed page of the WiFiKit can help you with that, and no cellular required. First, open WiFiKit and connect to the device hotspot to access the dashboard. Tap the camera icon at the bottom to enter the live feed page. The live feed from the main camera appears. If you would like to check the live feed of other cameras, tap on the icon for the desired channel. If you may need to flip the camera angle or mirror the image due to install position, tap the set icon to access the camera setup page. But if you have logged in as a guest, the app will require you to enter the device command password before dropping to the setup page. You can tap Normal Recording to access the next level page. On this page, you can adjust the capture angle, mirror image, and enable or disable video or audio recording. Don't forget to tap Confirm to save the change. Then you can return to the live feed page to check if the setting is successful. It should be noted that if you change resolution parameter, the change takes effect on the video files saved to the memory card, while the quality of the live videos remains unchanged. This means the change can't be verified on the live feed page, but you can confirm the execute result by getting a media file. That's all for checking live feed from the dashcams. All feature updates of this app will be based on this.